The 2014 Honda Accord integrates advanced technology with progressive styling and dynamic safety features.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive.
Honda perfected each and every component on the exterior surface. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair.
5 passengers fit comfortably thanks to the generous interior space. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including an outside temperature display.
The available Honda navigation with voice recognition will keep you safely on your route without taking your hands from the wheel. Touchscreen audio controls
and cruise control.
Honda provides an available feature, Honda Link, that integrates audio features with streaming capabilities of Pandora Radio.
Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Standard safety technologies include innovative passive features. Dual-stage front airbags will be deployed at different speeds depending on crash severity.
The 2014 Honda Accord. Well equipped and fully capable, this car refuses to compromise.